Hey everybody, it's Lazarus from Lazarus Unleashed. I wonder why I'm sweating. It's because I'm putting a hole in the floor for the sump pump. And almost a whole wheelbarrow of dirt, rock, and sections of the floor. And yeah, it's a workout. Got to the concrete, it was only 2-3 inches thick. But hey, you hold on. We're gonna check that out. Okay, we're back. And now I'm venturing to the other side of the basement where I'm digging a hole. Military shovels come in handy, and I got a load bucket to bring them out by hand, which it is a workout and a half. And I gotta go deep enough to put this guy in the floor. Yep, sump pump's gonna go inside there. Pipe is gonna come up through the lid, and it's gonna go from that side of the basement all the way to the bulkhead, so I can bring it out, bring it up the wall and out the primary that I have for the outlet in the bulkhead. And as you can see there, I'm going to tie it in with the existing one, and we're using that for an emergency backup. So yeah, if you can thank God we got a raised floor to do all this. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna resume digging. Get my workout today, people. Catch you later. Yeah, up those stairs to that yellow wheelbarrow. Y'all hang out and chill.
A few moments later.
Getting back down in it, people. Putting a hole here. As you can see, I gotta bring it down to about 2 feet or so. So I get that gray bin in here with holes drilled inside of it with a screen around it, so the water can perforate into there, fill up, and then when the pump kicks on, it's gonna go through PVC piping all the way across the basement on a diagonal. I just need to get a couple 45-degree angles and a Y section so I could tie into that primary over there. But if you don't mind, I'm gonna... It's hard, even though I'm short. I still have a hard time bending down in positions just so I can fill a bucket. So, and this material here this is literally clean fill. It's damp, wet, but military trifold shovel for trenching, digging, building a latrine. In this case, a drain hole. So, yeah. As you can see, limited for space around here. No containers here, containers. Yeah. Of course. Oh, making a mess. But hey, you know what? Nobody's perfect. It's all good, right? Yeah. Now, these buckets do get heavy, so I'm not gonna overload it. Ooh, that was a big rock. As you can see, you got some big potatoes in here. Not the kinds you can eat. If you can eat those, God bless your teeth, son. Catch you later.
Soon after.